Hello, I have COVID again. So I am sick again. I got COVID. At first I thought it was just a regular cold. I was traveling, so I was like, okay, I'm just probably really tired, so I caught a cold. And then a few days ago, I thought, oh, I'm feeling so much better. I don't think I have a cold anymore. And so I spent the day thinking, I got so much better. And then the next day, I started feeling weird again. And then I did a little test, a little testy test. Turns out, it's COVID. Gonna add some kelp powder. This is optional, you don't have to do this part, but I like to add it for depth and flavor. And I'm gonna add soy sauce. I'm gonna use soup soy sauce, maybe regular soy sauce too, but this is Korean soup soy sauce. It's a little bit saltier, I think, than regular soy sauce. I'm just gonna add that. And because I like garlic, I'm gonna add some more garlic powder. Mix this. Give this a little taste. Definitely needs more. Just gonna use regular soy sauce. And I also like to do lots of black pepper in my congee. It's getting pretty good. I've got here some extra soft tofu. This is Korean extra soft tofu. I already had some yesterday. I'm just gonna add to this. I'm actually making 2 servings so I can eat some of this later as well. So I only have to do this one time. This is gonna bump up the protein and add like a creamy, custardy consistency to the congee. I also like to add like red split lentils sometimes for protein. So you just wanna add basically as much water as you want. I like my congee pretty watery, so. I think it's done. All right, I'm gonna add sesame oil, but I'm gonna do it after I plate it. A little more soy sauce. And now sesame oil. My favorite. This is a must. This looks good. Let me try this. It's so comforting. It's so good. Perfect. Going in for more. It's so comforting. I ended up finishing it. It was very good. Got a headache today. It's actually not been so bad. Yesterday, I slept basically until like 1 p.m. On and off. I was awake a bit and then went back to sleep. I'm hoping to do something like that today. I just want to get as much sleep as possible. Eat some good food. Luckily this time, I can still taste everything great, at least so far, and I don't have loss in appetite. So, been eating a lot. Okay? Yeah. I'm not gonna have coffee. So, I'm... Okay, it's breakfast. No, I had breakfast. My brain is not braining. Okay. Now that I've had breakfast, I'm gonna take my vitamins. I'm gonna take my Compliment Essential, who are very kindly sponsoring today's video. If you guys don't know, Compliment Essential is the multivitamin for plant-based eaters. These are designed for plant-based eaters by plant-based eaters. So it really focuses on the things that you might be lacking if you are following a plant-based diet, or things that are hard to get simply from a diet alone. This just basically covers the basics. It has the B12s. I can't think right now. Okay. It has all the things, okay? And it really doesn't have any extra fluff. So you're not just like taking in extra vitamins for no reason and just peeing it out and spending extra money on that. So if you're looking for what to take, if you're a plant-based eater, consider Complement Essentials. You can get 15% off using my code CheapLazyVegan at checkout. The link is below. They also have other awesome products like the Daily Greens, which I wish I had some, but I actually finished it and I need to restock. Anyway, that would be perfect right now as I'm sick. And they also have this thing called Gut Nurture. It's like prebiotic, postbiotic, and I'm also out of that. So yes, the things I want right now, I don't have. Anyway, if you guys want to check those out, you can also get 15% off of those as well using my code CheapLazyVegan. Let me take my vitamins. And of course, I left my water over there because my brain is not braining. 1 second. I think yesterday I didn't drink enough water. I just kind of like laid down all day. Today I'm really gonna try to focus on getting in the fluids, you know, getting in the liquids. I should probably make tea. Look at this mess I left yesterday. And I wish I could tell you it's because I'm sick, but I do this all the time. All right, I'm gonna clean. I'm gonna boil my, what do you call these? Washcloths? Rags? What are they called? I'm gonna boil these with water because that helps get rid of the bacteria. It basically sanitizes it. You could also add baking soda, I think, to eliminate any smells. This doesn't really have a smell. So you just boil it for like 15 minutes or so, and then that should kill all the bacteria. So as you saw, I just had breakfast, cleaned a little bit. And now I feel like I've done a day's work. A day's work. I cooked, I did a little bit of dishes, and I feel like I am exhausted. Peppermint. I would love some coffee right now, but I don't think that's good for me. So tea it is. Yay. Caffeine-free tea. So I did a little bit of work and now I'm just like so tired and I have a headache. I didn't have a headache yesterday and now I have a headache. I'm just gonna use this Sage Peppermint Halo. I actually worked with them like a while ago. This is not sponsored, but I'm just gonna put a halo to help my headache. My desperate attempt at feeling better. Put more on my temples. I'm gonna lay back down with my tea and rest again. Okay, see you in a bit. I have this fake bar, fake Newtons that I got like when I was at the airport and then I didn't eat it. And it's filled with figs. And the other day I put a piece of dark chocolate on it and then I just heated it up. I'm gonna break the dark chocolate. And then I just melted the dark chocolate and then it's really good. Okay, it's not like fully melted, but I feel like it's hot enough. Ooh. I want another snack. I'm gonna have crackers, hummus. and alfalfa sprouts. And I'm also gonna have some yogurt. This is plant-based cherry yogurt. I don't think I've tried this flavor. All right, let's have some. So good. Guys, I had a really bad headache, so I've just been laying on the couch for hours. I feel like my body's just going in and out. 1 minute I feel like I'm feeling better. Next minute, something happens. All right, I picked up a few things at the grocery store, including this green goodness drink. I just feel like I need vitamins, you know? Let me get a glass. Let's try. Yummy. Okay, I'm gonna make dinner now. So I'm gonna make a udon dumpling soup. I've got some frozen store-bought Korean dumplings, got some udon noodles. I think I can make a soup very quickly because, yeah, I just need it quickly. Let me get some water. All right, we're gonna bring some water to a boil. And again, because we are making like a quick soup, I'm gonna use kelp powder. So normally I would make like a kelp broth if I had more time with like actual dry kelp and just boil that with water for like 20 minutes, but I just want to eat. So I'm using kelp powder. That's my hack. I've been using it for years and it's also good for you. So it's kind of a nice little supplement. And I also have this like instant seaweed. It's basically like Korean seaweed, but it's not like roasted seaweed. It's like seaweed that you put into soups. It's like dry, but it's like in tiny little pieces and you can just add it. It's like 1 serving. My parents gave it to me. It's from Korea, so I'm gonna add that, add some more seafoody flavor. This is random, but I feel like I need to eat some veggies. And I have a big thing of kale, so I'm gonna add some kale into the soup. I'm just gonna take off some of the rough parts. Oh, hate being sick. It's the worst. Just gonna roughly chop it. I think I'll add this at the end. Yeah, I'm gonna add this at the end. What do I want to add in my soup? Oh, maybe onion? Do I have onion? I do. I've got onion, so I'm gonna add some onion. I'm too lazy to add the actual garlic, so garlic powder it is. Thank God for powders. Okay, to flavor, I'm gonna add that 국간장 again. This is soup soy sauce. I don't know how I'm gonna flavor this. I haven't thought this through. Pepper again. Now, I don't know if spice is a good idea. It's probably not, but I am gonna add a little bit of gochugaru, which is Korean red pepper powder, red pepper flakes. Not too much, just a little. Might clear up my sinuses. Oh, it's already boiling. Okay, now I'm gonna add some store-bought Korean vegetable dumplings. These are already like pre-made, so I'm gonna add 6. Some soft tofu. Bring this back to a boil. I think I don't need to add much else. It's actually not bad. I'm gonna add a little bit more of this though. Okay, I think we can add the udon now. The best part about udon is that it takes like 2 minutes. It's already cooked, as you can see. You just have to like put it in hot water for like 2 minutes and then it'll do the trick. I'm gonna add my kale and green onion. Yay! This takes like less than 10 minutes. Ta-da! I'm also gonna add some roasted seaweed. So this is the dry stuff that has been roasted and seasoned, and it goes really well in stuff like this. Oh, I'm so excited. Ready? I also have a side of vegan kimchi, of course. Look at this. Let's taste some of this broth. Oh, this is what I need. Seaweed. You see all that dry seaweed? Now it's gotten all, you know, expanded. This should definitely heal me, I think. It's quite like plain. It's a little bit bland, but it's like good. Dumpling time. This hits the spot. Now this is my dessert. I got some raspberries at the store. I figured that'll be healthy for me. I'm sorry if this vlog was boring. Clearly I'm not well. I think like 1 or 2 more days of rest and I should be good. I'm gonna lay here like a potato and rewatch White Lotus as I've been doing and then go to bed really early. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this very boring vlog. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you are staying healthy. I hope none of you guys are sick, and if you are, I hope you feel better soon. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Make sure you thumbs up this video. And of course, don't forget to check out Complement. The link is below for you to get some Complement Essentials, which is that multivitamin made for plant-based eaters. And of course, you can also check out their other products as well. I'll link their other products below as well. Use my code CheapLazyVegan to get 15% off. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!